Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel We Learn. In this YouTube channel we do all educational and useful tutorials. So if you want to get future our work, please subscribe to us. Today we are discussing about that when you want to delete some file in the Windows 10, it is obviously deleting without asking an alert. So let's try this file, delete this file. Just click on that file. Oops, it's getting open, no need to that. Just we selected that file and you try to delete that one. So all of a sudden it's deleting without any alert or something. So if it is useful file for you, so then it's gone from your computer, that's a problem for you. So that is why we have to fix that one. Before you deleting anything, you want to make sure that you get alert to think about once more, am I going to delete this one or no. So it is simple. In your Windows 10 there is a recycle bin, this folder on the desktop. Just go to that folder and right click it, go to the properties, open it and tick this display delete confirmation dialog. That simply means before you delete anything, it will give you an alert, are you going to delete or no. So then you can confirm whether you are going to delete or no. Accordingly the result will come. So let's try that. Just tick it on and go ahead. Now we'll try to delete this file. When you click that and delete, you want to delete, or are you sure you want to delete? So then that alert is coming, then you can select yes or no. In this instance I'm going to say no because I don't want to delete. If you want to delete, of course say yes, so then it will remove the file from your computer. Thank you for watching us. Please subscribe us We Learn YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Have a good day.